Working as part of a front of house team in a theatre is all about supporting the customer experience, helping with general inquiries, checking tickets, selling ice creams and programmes, and being the first point of contact for customers. We at Showman Theatre have a great team of volunteers who help support the day-to-day running of shows and events. They are passionate about the arts, passionate about what they do, and they're just the best, and we love working with them.
I think just getting out and meeting people is one big benefit, sort of different people that are passionate about the arts as well, and also watching the shows is a bit of a benefit as well, sort of thing. So.
All the other volunteers are lovely people. I've made friends here, and people come from all walks of life, different ages, different backgrounds, and it's a really nice sort of diverse community of volunteers.
Mae Showman wedi cynnig cyfleoedd I fi I ymarfer ac I datblygu fy sgiliau I fod yn mwy hyderus efo siarad Cymraeg.
I've learned a lot about diversity issues and what it's like to be, say, visually impaired. I like to think it's made me a more empathetic person, but there are times when you do have to be a little bit assertive as well. So I'd like to think it's been a course in assertiveness training.
You'll likely be running around quite a lot and handing out lots of flyers, but it's a lot of fun. As long as you know what you're doing, what your area is, it's all going to really work out fine, and all of the other volunteers and the management team are here to support you.
We're always looking for new volunteers. As long as you're over the age of 16, passionate about the arts and helping people, then we'd love to hear from you. If you'd like to know more, you can get in touch by emailing volunteers@showmantheatre.co.uk or by visiting our website, showmantheatre.co.uk, and clicking on Get Involved, or by searching for volunteers.